Hello students, week 13 physics grade 10 chapter 24 lesson 2 first law of thermodynamics part 2 textbook page 471. At the end of this lesson you will be able to describe the ways to increase the internal energy of a system. In the previous lesson, or you can say in the previous part of chapter 24 lesson 2, you learned how to state the first law of thermodynamics. So you learned that first law of thermodynamics states that heat added to a system is equal to increase in internal energy plus external work done by the system. So let's see now regarding the second part, that is work. Adding heat is not the only way to increase the internal energy of a system. If we set the heat added part of the first law to 0, changes in internal energy are equal to the work done on or by the system. If work is done on a system, compressing it for example, the internal energy will increase. Means if you do work on a system, if you compress the system, the internal energy will increase. The temperature of the system rises without any heat input. Without adding any heat, the temperature rises. If work is done by the system, like expanding against its surroundings, for example, the system's internal energy will decrease. With no heat extracted, the system cools. So you can see here, without giving heat, the system's internal energy can increase. Means the temperature of the system can increase. And without releasing or extracting heat, temperature of the system or internal energy of the system can be decreased. For example, when we pump on a bicycle pump, it becomes hot because we put mechanical work into the system and raise its internal energy. Okay, can you answer this question? If 10 joules of energy is added to a system that does no external work, by how much will the internal energy of that system be raised? The answer is 10 joules. As you know that heat added equal change or increase in internal energy plus work done. Here in the question 10 joule is added. It does no external work. So definitely internal energy change or increase will be the same as you heat added. So it is 10 joules.